Imagine starving to death while sitting at a banquet table piled high with food. That was humanity's predicament for thousands of years. The air you are breathing right now is 78% nitrogen, the key ingredient for plant growth. But there's a catch. Look at the molecule on screen. 2 nitrogen atoms locked in a triple bond. It is one of the strongest bonds in nature. Plants can't break it. Humans couldn't break it. So we walked on air, but fought wars over manure.
To pick this molecular lock, Fritz Haber realized we couldn't just ask nicely. We needed brute force. Think of this process as a massive pressure cooker. We take nitrogen from the air and hydrogen from natural gas. We squeeze them together at 200 atmospheres of pressure. That is the equivalent of being 2 kilometers deep under the ocean. Watch the piston on the screen. As the pressure mounts, the gas molecules are forced into uncomfortable proximity, creating the kinetic energy needed for our reaction.
Pressure and heat aren't enough. If we stopped there, the nitrogen would still refuse to bond. Enter the secret weapon, an iron catalyst. Imagine this gray surface as a molecular dance floor. The nitrogen lands on the iron, and the metal actually pulls the nitrogen atoms apart, stretching that triple bond until it snaps. Suddenly, the hungry hydrogen atoms can swarm in. Without this surface adsorption, the reaction is impossibly slow. With it, we get chemistry on an industrial scale. The result of this violent molecular dance is ammonia, NH3, 1 nitrogen holding hands with 3 hydrogens. But inside the reactor, it's a hot gas. To capture it, we must cool it down rapidly. The ammonia condenses into a liquid, dripping down like rain, while the unreacted nitrogen and hydrogen remain as gas and are recycled back into the system. This loop is genius. Nothing is wasted. We are effectively printing liquid fertilizer.
Why does this chemistry lesson matter? Because it changed the course of history. Before Haber-Bosch, the world population was capped by how much natural nitrogen was in the soil. After, the population exploded from 1.6 billion to 8 billion. Look at the wheat stalk growing on the screen. It is estimated that 50% of the nitrogen atoms in your body right now, in your DNA, in your muscles, were created in a Haber-Bosch factory. We literally turned air into bread.